Good morning, respected SSS and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Startup India. Startup India is a flagship initiative launched by Government of India in 2016 to promote innovation, entrepreneurship and job creation. Its main aim is to encourage youth entrepreneurs to start new business and transform India into a nation of job creators instead of job seekers. Under this scheme, startup receives benefits such as tax exemptions, easy registration, funding support, and incubation facilities. It also promotes research, digital platforms, and skill development. Startup India has helped in sectors like technology, healthcare, education, agriculture, and renewable energy. It has increased employment opportunities and boosted economic growth. Startup India also focuses on creating a strong ecosystem for entrepreneurship by connecting startups with the investors, mentors, and industry experts. It encourages women entrepreneurs and supports startups from rural and urban areas through Atal Innovation Mission and Incubation Center in education institution. Challenges such as lack of awareness, fear of failure, and limited access to markets still exist, but continuous policy support and digital platforms are helping to overcome them by fostering creative and risk-taking spirit amongst youth. Contributes to economic growth, employment generation, and global competitiveness of India. It also strengthens India's position as global hub for innovation and sustainable entrepreneurship. In conclusion, Startup India is a powerful step towards building a self-reliant and innovative India. With the right support and determination, startup can shape future of country.